Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola E40 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down. So both of those... Oh, that was way too loud. So yeah, both of those keys at the same time. You'll have a flash along with the sound, and three options should appear, so share, edit, and full page, which I believe refers to a scrollable screenshot. So I'll actually test it out right here. Oh, didn't seem to do anything. So yeah, anyway, once you capture your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. It will be located under Library. So select Library, and you should see a new folder called Screenshots. And in here, obviously, you will have only the screenshots that I've captured on your phone. So here are the 2 screenshots, or 3 that I have captured. You can see them. Anyway, that is how you can capture your screenshots, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.